one file. This is the recent stock performance. Okay, good. And this is also, yeah, some information. That's basic. Search on the real time in the internet. So what more interesting for now is that because this is our first attempt iteration. So I will show you why Ishi should be on local. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach him. Okay, so I just have my run here and I just paste here. I will tell him, hey, you are messing up and you use a model that is not exist. I fixed it myself and this is the workflow run that is working. Can you look into that and can you learn from what we have done so far from the beginning until now? And also you can write into the markdown file that in this folder and to what you learn so that next time you can read that and you can ensure that there's no mistake again happen on this one. Okay. So as you can see now, I'm telling to Ishi is like my intern. So I show him what to do and how to fix a problem. And then what he's going to do is he's going to fetching this my folder. Okay. Okay. He will write something down. He's still writing it. Okay, so he's writing his knowledge. Okay, so what he learned. Okay, so this is the agentic flow lesson learned. Okay, different model has different type. Wait, let me switch to my folder and see if he really creates something that meaningful. Okay, so this is my folder, and originally this is like our build section, and this is the workflow lesson learned. Okay, this is the document that Ishi just writing down. He learned something. Okay. The first connection problem, okay, connection format should be something like this, not a raw UUID, okay, good, okay, critical lesson learned, okay, debug checklist, okay, okay, so he learned something. So why Ishi should be on your computer is that right now, let me start with a new thread, okay, completely new chat with him. I'm open here. I will create a new chat. And what I'm going to tell him is to do the same job. But instead of like starting from 0, I'm going to click on this one. I will click mention. Oh, okay. Wait, I think there is something wrong with this one. We should have a mention. But anyway, if we don't have the mention file, then you just need to drag the file into Ishi. Okay. So what I did is I just drag the file from my folder to Ishi, and I will just tell him, hey, can you read this? Okay, so he can read that information. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tell him to create another one. Hey, can you help me to create another report for another company that doing maybe Google? But for this route, let's try to use the built-in web search and also web retrieval and the LLM node without any like LLM connection from PixelML required. Just try to use the web search and web retrieval that existing in agentic flow. Okay, okay, built-in web search. Okay, LLM node. Okay, so what basically I'm telling him that in agentic flow we have built-in web search and also web retrieval node already, so there is no external connection required. So what I'm going to tell him is do it. So with the understanding and the learning from the past fail, I believe that he's going to build this a bit better than before. And let's see. Okay, so he found that there's a web search and web retrieval. So you should you should kind of like understanding about like how things how what agentic flow capable of, because we have a tool set of almost everything you need already, and what you just need to know is to tell Ishi that that option exists, and he will find a way to do it, just like now. So I tell him that there is a web search and web retrieval built in agentic flow that can do this one without external connection. Use that, and he will use that. And for the answer for the question from Marcel, so every thread of new chat of Ishi is completely new. So he doesn't know thing. But what you can do is you can replicate what I just did. Like when he finished a thread, ask him to write down his experience, lesson learned, so that later when you're starting something new, you just mention that file so that he have the equip of the knowledge that he accumulated from the past fail. So I think that is the way that human learn. And also that is the reason why Ishi have to be on your laptop, because that is where your file system is. You can actually tell him to write documentation, or maybe you can even like drag some of the SOP that you already using in your team so that he can actually learn from that. So I mean, this is kind of like continuous improvement. So if you can have Ishi improve 1% every day, then actually over time he will be becoming seriously good. And if you notice that I create a Ishi workspace on my computer, that folder, and that folder is everything that I've organized for him. You can actually apply how you managing the knowledge and the past experience into that as well, because later what you can do is that you can just mention in a file or a folder. You just drag the entire folder in and just tell Ishi, hey, read this folder and do this. Read this file and do this. Instead of like trying to prompt. Because I think the problem right now with ChatGPT is every time I need it to do something, I spend so much time to steering its behavior. And I even like having a prompt in my note later so that I can copy and paste that. But with Ishi, you don't need, because everything in your computer, and then as long as you can open that folder and you say, hey, read everything in this folder, do the task following the SOP, following the format of the template that I already defined to you, is much more efficient. Yeah. I think he finished. I don't know if it's working or not. Okay, the workflow is still running. First two success. But I think this is okay. So both is his success, and right now just waiting for the error. But anyway, I think he's going to get it, because that is something that obvious, right? Okay, workflow created successfully. Okay, the pending for a while. Okay. I'll write this to your lesson, please. Yeah, I will tell him to write to his knowledge and documenting the knowledge so we can create a self-improving AI. Okay. And what I'm going to do when it comes back to this agentic flow and see whether he's creating a new one is a good one. Go back here. Let me go into workflow. Google search report. Okay. Let me click on this one. Okay, it has been created. Okay, it takes some time. I don't know what. But let me click on this one and I will verify his work. Okay, he chose this one and the model is UM 4.5 Air, so this one should work. Why is that? Okay, let me buy the other way. Let me click on this one. Let me choose the model again. Let me choose another model. Let me choose maybe choose GPT-4o mini and click save. And then go here and products. Let's trigger run again. Okay, search information quite fast. Retrieve also very fast. Generate company report. Not as fast. Why? Go back history. Oh, it's a set. Okay, it's actually a set and very working. Maybe just because the report is very long, so it takes some time. But anyway, so as you can see, so after you can see that the first time that we build this one, Ishi take like 20 minutes just to try to figure it out.